Okay, this is my second lesson. This follows on from the 1-digit by 2-digit multiplication using the grid. And now we're going to go 2-digit by 2-digit. So, first things first, let's write a problem down. We'll do 12 multiplied by 23. As you can see, I've got my same 5 points to success here because they don't change irrespective of how many digits there are. So, following point 1, partition the numbers. Here are my numbers here. And we're first of all going to partition the 12. So we've got one lot of 10. And we have got 2. And that is multiplied by 23. So if we partition 23, we have 2 lots of 10. So 20 plus 3 units or ones. That's the numbers partitioned. Next one, nice and simple, draw the grid. So it's one line going up, one line going across, and the multiplication sign there so you don't forget what operation you're doing. The third one is put the parts into the grid. So looking at our parts here, if you remember what I said in the first video, you put the first number in the column. So we've got 10, carry the 2 down, and you put the second number in the row. So we've got 20 and 3. Remember, if we add those together, that equals 12. That equals 23. So we've got 12 multiplied by 23. The next part is multiply all of the parts. So looking at this one here, we need to multiply 10 by 20. We also need to multiply 10 by 3. Then we need to multiply 2 by 20. And 2 by 3. So in effect there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different problems we need to do. So let's move into the first one I talked about, which is 10 multiplied by 20. I'll write that there just for ease. So 1 times 20 is 20. 10 times 20 is 200. Then we go to 2 times 20 is 40. Moving across, 10 times 3, I will just write that there. 10 times 3 is 30. And then 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. As you can see, I've done the 4 problems I talked about. 1, 2, 3, 4. The order you do them in doesn't really matter. You find one that suits you. So I've multiplied the parts. Now you need to add the parts together. So 200 plus 40 is 240. 6 plus 30 is 36. And if I add those together, equals 276. So our answer to this problem, 12 times 23, is 276.